This Money Minute is brought to you by Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union.
As Halloween approaches, it's not just spooky costumes you need to be wary of. Impersonation scams tend to ramp up around this time too. Scammers will often disguise themselves as trusted companies or organizations to trick you into giving away your hard-earned money. To protect yourself, stay skeptical of unexpected calls, emails, or messages, even if they seem to come from familiar sources. Legitimate companies won't ask for your personal or financial details out of nowhere. Always verify phone numbers by going directly to the company's official website or using trusted source, rather than relying on the name and number provided in the suspicious communication. And remember, take your time. Scammers thrive on creating false sense of urgency. Don't let them rush you into making a decision. Your personal information is incredibly valuable, so guard it with care. By staying alert and trusting your instincts, you can keep scares limited to Halloween and enjoy a financially safe holiday season.
This has been your Schoolsfirst FCU Money Minute, federally insured by NCUA.